Hi friends, welcome to Crafts and Clay. Today we will see what are the necessary materials we need to start with the terracotta jewelry making. First we need a clay. Here I am using a natural clay. Next, to flatten clay as a clay slab, we need a flat wooden surface. I am using a chapati maker. You can use any flat wooden slab. To maintain a thickness of a clay slab, here I'm using a 2 wooden scale, and this is a old knife to mark and cut the clay, and nichrome wire cutter to make a hoop to insert inside the clay slab. Next comes the shape cutter. These are the cookie cutter I'm using, and remainings are paper cuts which I already made. So according to the clay shape, I will cut and use those. Next is the design maker. So these are the old tools or old pens and some of the caps which I am using to mark some patterns and designs in a clay pendant. So once we are done with the clay making, we need to dry and bake. After that, we need to paint the clay pendant. So for that, here I am using a acrylic paints, and here these are the some of the brushes I am using. So once the painting is done, for longer durability, we need to varnish it. I am using a decor varnish with a gloss finish. Once the pendant is ready, for assembly I am using 1 mm black card. This you can get any nearby fancy store, and a securing bead at the end and a tassel to attach it at the end. So these are the minimum required tools to start with terracotta jewelry making. Thank you.